Yeah, hi. I want to talk today about Screen Castify. Screen Castify is a Google Chrome extension. You can see, hopefully, you can see my cursor. But up here, this is Google Chrome, and along here are some extensions. And this one here, in this interesting shade of salmon pink, is Screen Castify. So normally, what you would do there is to go to the Chrome App Store, download the app from the Chrome App Store, and you end up with this icon in Google Chrome. So when you click on that, you actually get this screen here. And it's pretty much set up for you. You can go straight to a browser tab. Typically, I tend to use desktop, which seems to be a bit more robust. It'll say, do you want to use your microphone? And you obviously want to say yes for that. You can, of course, use the webcam. So that could be you talking to camera instead. You would then click on record. This isn't a live screen. This is a series of screenshots, but you would click on record. And then the next screen that you would see is this screen. And it'll say, do you want to show your entire screen? But you have another option up here called application window, and you can click on that. And that'll show you what applications you have running at that moment in time. And if you've got a specific application, ThoughtSpace is one that I particularly like. You can select that by clicking on it and then click on share at the bottom. It doesn't highlight sometimes, which is a bit confusing. So you click on that and you would think this might light up, but sometimes it doesn't. So you click on that and then you're presented with the recording sequence. There's a countdown. It'll count down 3, 2, 1, at which point you can go to your app. So at this point, I kind of minimize Chrome. I'll go up here and minimize Chrome so that I can concentrate on the app. In this case, it's dynamic and interactive, which makes a voiceover more interesting, hopefully. And you can then proceed to the end of that. And at the end of that, you would go back to this, click on it. There's another drop down comes down here with a red square that's kind of, salmon colored square. And you click on that to stop the recording. There's a maximum on this of 5 minutes. We'll see that in just a second. And what you're then presented with is this screen, and you can there's a button that will come up, and it will say, "Do you want to?" Once you've finished editing, so you can say yes, I want to edit the recording. That will then present you with this screen. And as you can see, there's a cursor here. If you get to the point where you've finished speaking, you can then clip the remainder of the video just by clicking on the scissors. And then there's an export function over here. And with the export function, you can save the clipped video, which is then of typically less than 5 minutes length. Thank you very much.